Alright guys, so Princess was looking at a deer and then the deer ran across the path. I didn't get on camera, but and then Diamond decided to go actually after it and she don't have a shot collar on. So we were screaming her name. Princess was just sitting right next to us. And Diamond decided to go after her and then we screamed her name about 10 times and she came back to us right away. So she would listen, you're allowed to keep screaming her name. And Princess just ran right into a tree. But I wouldn't care if they went after a deer in here so we can actually see them, but they went down a hill.
Yeah, I wouldn't care if Diamond didn't have a collar on.
Diamond was just saying, I'm just getting us some meat.
So we could chase after her and still listen to the beat.
Diamond, you're going to be our hunting dog. Yeah, they're up there. And then down that trail a little bit, there's two that was running. They're huge bucks, right babe? Those are huge ones. But yeah, Diamond just wanted to go get some. They would have destroyed her. But I'm waiting to see another one and see what they will do. But they won't be in an open field. They'll be more towards. What's that? Is that house up there? One of the things?
What, the Ranger?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe.
Oh. But yeah, guys. So.
Man, what are you doing?
Still chasing out the trees.
Are you practicing? Are you practicing?
Well,
When you last
I hear people screaming. Do people hunt back here?
No.
Oh.
This is the Metro Park.
I don't know if they did it throughout this winter.
No.
But alright guys, so we're going to continue walking our adventure and let them lose some energy. And if I catch a deer and then chase it after it, I'm going to pull on my camera as fast as I can. But alright guys. Alright guys, so we've been walking for a little bit and we decided to see the path going to the water. Oh look at that big old bank over there. Diamond, no. Diamond, no. You're going to jump in there. It's cold.
No.
Look how fast it's flowing, girl. No.
Come on,
Let's go this way.
Yeah, we gotta make sure they don't get by the edge. They're dumb enough to jump in.
We're gonna try to go on this bank over here. So.
If we can make it.
Hey, Princess, no. No.
Get over here.
She wants to jump in there.
Come on.
Like, no. We don't want you to get sick. She was going the right way. Just to go this. Just gotta go this way. Diamond, no. Yeah, right here. Alright, guys. Oh my god! I wish you got that on video.
Yeah. I'll toss the camera down to you.
Wow.
Oh man, our battery's gonna die. Ready? Here.
Alright, guys. So we're down here. Princess, no. But here's the bank I saw. Woo, it's pretty steep. But here's the bank. Get up here. Look at it. You run, girls. It's pretty. Oh, of course, they go right in the water. Well, it's their choice. It's not as cold to them, to us, though. You know. So, Matt decided to throw a stick over on ice back there, and the water was like black, and she fell through. But I like this big bank. This is the bank that they used to ride snowmobiles on.
Yeah.
They do snowmobiles on this creek. I wish I want to get a snowmobile.
Prince, what are you doing in the water?
Prince is in the water. At least my dogs are happy. That's all that matters. Diamond doesn't even want to go in it. She loves swimming. Princess don't care. She's like, I'm cooling off.
Oh, there's geese down here.
Oh God.
Let's see if Prince goes after. Prince, look! Go! What is that?
Geese holding down there. Alright guys, so the girls are all the way up there and the geese are right there, as you guys can tell a little bit, but the sun is bright. She's literally looking at the geese.
Go, Prince. Look at her, she's just sitting there.
Hi, Dad. Princey's all the way up there. Look at these two. They're go crazy. Sorry guys, I have to use my phone now, but we are putting a new exhaust on the truck and we're spray painting the tailgate later to make it match with the truck. But I'm gonna charge my camera because I don't have another battery, but it keeps dying on me. It's not charged. So we're gonna put the muffler on and everything else, and just stay tuned guys, and we'll show you guys the end results or see how charged the battery gets before he gets so far. So I'm gonna put down the charger right now. So alright guys, time has passed. We went inside for a little bit. We did get the exhaust on. It made it a little bit more quieter, and so we went to the store, and you guys did not know. We are spray painting our bumper to match, not bumper, tailgate. Alright guys, the tailgate to match
in the comments.
To match the truck. So that look clean guys. But we did those two things today, and we're gonna do a little bit of touch-ups on the side if we have more spray paint. I think we might have some spray paint left over. If not, it'll be another day's project. But my uncle does a body shop, so I'm gonna see if he can fix up the rust and everything for a decent price. I'm gonna make this truck look mean. We were gonna get tow mirrors, but this guy's like, if you pull it, he wants $60 for me pulling it, and then he wants $70 for him to pull it. So I ain't gonna pay $60 for myself to pull it. Like, are you stupid? But we'll end up getting some. This red looks nice.
I think this might be the last coat.
Covered pretty good, guys. You see the difference? That's not good. That's good.
I mean, we'll be able to tell tomorrow.
Yeah. You just see the Dodge sign.
Oh, there's dirt.
And then there's like a strip right there. Go back over that again.
Oh, what?
Over this, because look, you can see green. And then I would just hit this right here.
I'm gonna hit that after this dries so I can tip it up towards me.
Alright. But yeah, that looks pretty nice, don't it? Yeah. But you just have to clean up this black stuff a little bit. But that's pretty much it. So we are making some progress in this truck. Sorry guys, it needs to focus the black spots on there. But yeah, we can clean it up. But
yeah, we'll just scrub that off with Dawn dish soap.
But we're making some progress with the truck. Oh, you guys did not. I don't think we told you guys about this. We put a little mini light bar on here.
Yeah, we did. No, we didn't.
Look, we put a little mini light bar. Watch, I'll turn it on. See, we gotta hook it up. And look, Papa! Look at the light bar. Sick, huh, guys? We put that in. I think yesterday we did. We put that in because his mom's boyfriend gave it to us for free. He was gonna put it on his boat, but he decided not to. And yeah. And then that's all we did to the truck. So I know we're looking for bigger tires and everything.
I want to make sure this don't need another coat before we start touching shit up on the truck.
Alright, but we are gonna see if this needs another coat, and then
it's gonna dry in like 5-10 minutes, guys. So we'll be able to come right back out and check it out.
Yeah. But alright, guys, stay tuned. Alright, guys. So we're gonna check it for the last time. Let's see if it looks golden. Wow. It does dry faster when it's colder.
Nope.
A little bit.
We'll just have to wipe that off or scrub it off after a couple days.
Well, guys, we did a pretty good job. So,
Look, and our handle's still black.
your handle's still black.
The other piece is over there. Do you want to hand that to me so I can pop it back in?
You know, you want to wait for it to dry a little bit longer or no?
Not to pop this back. To move it, yeah.
Are we going to do touch-ups today or tomorrow? What do you guys think? Today or tomorrow? Comment down below. We probably will do it today because we already have it out. And we can let it dry overnight too. So. But now we got our red tailgate to match our truck.
That's fine. No, the truck ain't perfect. All we gotta do.
We should just repaint the truck this color. Like one more coat. Just repaint it.
The only thing I gotta do is fix the edge.
The truck's nice, but just some work needs done, that's all. How is there mud? We literally just washed it, guys, like literally today. Mud. Mud. Hope he's doing some touch-up.
Maybe this ain't the same color.
This black thing?
It's just a smudge.
A scratch.
It's not the same color.
After probably after it dries. All that crap.
See the difference?
Well, it's wet. Too.
I think I used a different color than on the front of the truck. Can't tell what's smudged on there.
Guys, this is just temporary, alright? There's our bumper delete. They use that foam stuff right there. You can see it. They didn't do a good Bondo.
Don't diss on my spray painting skills. I'm not good. Oh, I got some on the rim. Made you look.
Jesus. I was like, what?
Oh, I missed a lot. Shit. By the time I'm done, I might as well do the whole truck.
You might. I like more towards summer. Redo the whole truck.
What, me spray paint the whole truck?
Or actually get a paint sprayer.
I hope this matches, because otherwise my truck's gonna look retarded.
I don't think I see any more.
Ghost. Yeah, I can't see how bad it looks now.
Oh, this no. Just that chrome thing.
I think it's a little off this color. I'll do the whole thing just in case.
Don't hit the black. Oh, you done did it. You done did it. Yeah, the hood's like the most perfect thing, in a way. Alright, point over here. Wow, we already hit. And see. Alright, point like. See if we notice any spots that we hit. Right there. Wait, point the bed. Huh, not really. We'll know
It's
by
still
tomorrow.
wet.
Yeah, we'll know by tomorrow. If it looks like the same. But alright guys, this is gonna be a video for
That looks the same as what they sprayed painted down here.
no. But alright guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on notification bells, and share if you guys will like. We'll be back with more videos tomorrow. So stay tuned and peace. Love you guys.